when you're making the DIY project, sometimes you need to find the center of the workpiece to drill a pilot hole. So in this case, I'm making like a sofa bed. So these are the two legs, and I'm going to have this 2 by 4 attached to these legs. That way this is secured to the legs. So for finding the center, normally I use like a paper trick, which I'm going to show you now. So I have this scrap 2 by 4, which is the same dimension as my workpiece. So I'm going to place it this 2 by 4 and align it at the edge of the paper. And I'm going to take a knife and cut the paper. So now we have like a paper which is exactly the same width as the 2 by 4. Now I'm going to cut this. I'm going to turn the paper other side and place my scrap 2 by 4 at the edge of the paper. And cut the paper again. So now we have like a small sheet of paper which is exactly the same width of the 2 by 4. Now the simple thing is just fold this paper 2 times. Try to match the edge exactly on your first fold, and do the same when you do the second fold. Now take this one and place it on both the corners of your workpiece and punch a hole. So this is the center of the 2 by 4, which I'm going to drill the pilot holes. So this process makes it so easy to find the center. Within like a minute you can find the center and continue working on the project.